Alright, this is my dictionary. It's actually my gun safe, and it is locked. This is my auto jiggler set. Alright, I got this credit card set. I'm using the tension wrench and the pick out of it, and a Master Lock 140. Not too bad, a little slow. I single picked. I can usually rake it in a few seconds, but I try to use the single picks from the kit. Alright, I'm going to step it up a little bit. Got Honeywell safe. Turn the dial back to lock. This is the actual key that goes to it. It's locked. Auto jiggler set. Keys. There we go. I got a Master Lock number 1 Bogota set. I can single pin pick this one, but it's usually just a little bit easier to rake. There we go. Alright, I got a warded lock here. It's this guy right here. I don't know if you can see, but he spins. So you can't use your traditional tension wrench and single pin method. I got a warded set here, and it's usually pretty easy to get into. This one actually has a removable shackle, so there's that.